Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp account locked. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for support. Or you could also simply go ahead and search for WhatsApp support. Now click on Contact WhatsApp right over here, and on this page all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the Contact Us button, which is going to be right over here. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and enter your phone number, enter your email, your confirm email, and then enter your message and click on next step, and that is it. They will be in contact with you via your number. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.